Hello everyone, welcome to the 10th edition of L Asia 2024 and today we are here at the stall of PMX for having a thoughtful conversation. Welcome to Electrical Mirror ma'am. So ma'am, can you please give us an overview of your company and its key product offerings to its customers?
What we established in 2001 actually, and we specialize in two products, which is power factor correction panels and harmonic filters. So we've got around a range of products which mitigates the harmonics and gives good power quality into the system. So for example, from the grid when an impure power comes, our product is placed between the grid and the factory so that the power that goes into the system is very pure, and that's why it increases the life of the product and you save on electricity bills. So that is what we do. So power factor is very important these days because there are a lot of fluctuations in India especially. So it becomes very imperative that you do have power factor correction panels. And there are governments which are there who have, state governments, they levy penalties on power factor. So power factor has become, earlier it was not known so much in the industry. Now suddenly it has gained a lot of importance because the thing is now government is also when you pay money from your pocket, obviously it pinches. So that is why the market is actually boomed. So we are market leaders in Maharashtra actually. So we do very, very good in the western region. So what we are looking at, why we did L Asia this time was that we needed to extend our branch into the south also. Andhra is a pretty decent market, but Karnataka, we are still to have our inroads. So that is what we were looking at L Asia. Yesterday, the response was lukewarm, I will not say bad, but today the responses has been very good. Because the thing is we are not into a B2C, business to customer or an OTC product. Our product is completely B2B. It's a business to business product. So whoever comes into the stall is always those people who are actually serious into the business. So that's why we are glad that we're getting good inquiries. And yeah, today the traction has been pretty decent. Yes.
It's the leading company in the market. So what are the top 3 things to watch out from your company in 2024 in terms of technological advancements?
See, the thing is it is in wherever you see, innovation is something that you need, whether it's electrical field, whether any field. Innovations is something that is, you can't survive without innovation. So अगर आप खुद को ठीक नहीं करोगे, खुद को improve नहीं करोगे, तो it's pointless. So everything is getting cloud based now. Everything is getting, information is always on your fingertips. So what we are doing right over here at PMX is we are trying to give the best solution in the most convenient way. So whether it's pre-sale, so that is what. So there's an entire process that PMX follows. So jaise for a doctor or something like that, if you see so aap phone karke doctor ko puchoge the kind of treatment that you get, and then when you meet a doctor, that's very different. So that's why at PMX, what we do is initially we do the studies. We do power quality studies. So that actually, and then our engineers, they will analyze karte hain reports ko. So always a solution that we give is always a better solution because we have done the studies also at our end, and then we provide a solution. And once we provide a solution, and then an after sales. So that the 3 categories of pre-sales, sales and post-sales has been taken care, touch wood. So far it has been very good for us. So that's why our turnaround time is good. People like our products. There are companies you can see over here only. So these are all our South products your Cadbury, Sitla and all those people. So they have they have been with us since years now. So yeah, we've got good word of mouth. Our products last. We have a good turnaround time. We have got something called a full load testing, which actually we test the entire panels with the load within our company so that site pe jaake humko problem nahi ho. So we do all that. So probably we're doing something right and things are going okay for us.
Do you want to convey any special message to your customers, especially for the southern parts?
South market, we are a good product. Thank you for supporting us. And what we would like is continuous support from you guys. And please tell your peers or whoever who wants, we are there in Power Factor and Harmonic Filter Solutions products.